ancient city located on the banks of river Ganga, Haridwar is expanding rapidly. Being a popular pilgrimage site, the city also witnesses a massive floating population as each day pilgrims come to bathe at the holy river to get rid of their sins. The number of visitors grow manyfold during the festivals, especially month-long Kumbh Fair. The National Mission for Clean Ganga has been tirelessly endeavoring to ensure that pilgrims get a cleaner Ganga at this holy site with no flow of sewage water. It has intercepted all major and minor sources of river pollution under the Namami Gange program.
We added lots of new projects in Sarai, in Jagjitpur, and now 145 MLD capacity is very much there in Haridwar, and 113, 115 MLD is actually being used. So we are fully geared up in Haridwar to meet any kind of sewerage pollution, not even for the present load, but even for the future. Similarly, any flow coming from the Rishikesh side or Muni Ki Reti, so all those projects have also been completed, and few months back Honorable PM inaugurated all those projects. So one thing is we have kept Haridwar fully prepared to meet any kind of pollution load and keep river Ganga free from raw sewage entering into the river.
The key projects in Haridwar have included intercepting major drains falling into the river and diverting them to sewage treatment plants. Kasavan Nala, one of the biggest drains that would contaminate the river severely, has been tapped entirely and diverted to the STP.
There was a very notorious, infamous Kasavan Nala, which could have been seen by people, when they were going from Delhi towards Haridwar. That Kasavan Nala, which used to drain sewage, raw sewage into Ganga, about in the couple of years back, that has been completely stopped, and no sewage is now going into Haridwar and in even upper reaches in Uttarakhand in the river Ganga. So that is the kind of preparation which we have done for upcoming Kumbh.
Inaugurated by Prime Minister Narendra Modi, the tech-equipped expansion of 68 MLD STP at Jagjitpur is instrumental in treating the sewage load that compounds during the massive festive gatherings like Kumbh. Built at a cost of 230 crore, the STP achieved its current strength a few months ago. Another 40 MLD STP at Sarai, developed a little over a year ago under the hybrid annuity model, will add to the comprehensive campaign of protecting and rejuvenating the river. The Kasavan Nala sewage is also treated at Sarai only.
दो बड़े एसटीपी 68 एमएलडी एसटीपी जगजीतपुर और 14 एमएलडी एसटीपी सराय नमामि गंगे में पूरे किए। इसके अलावा 5 नाला टैपिंग, जो पुरानी टैप नाले थे 17, उनकी क्षमता वृद्धि और ये सारे कार्य संपादित करे गए। तो कुंभ मेले में आप अवगत होंगे, हरिद्वार में कुंभ मेला भी होता है समय समय पर, कावड़ मेला और पूर्णमासी मेला, इस तरह के मेले लगातार चलते रहते हैं, फ्लोटिंग पॉपुलेशन आती है। तो इस प्रकार हमारे पास इस समय हरिद्वार में 145 एमडी शोधन क्षमता पूरी हो गई है, जो किसी भी प्रकार से कुंभ मेले में या किसी अन्य पर्व पर जो हमारी फ्लोटिंग पॉपुलेशन आती है उससे कैटर करने के लिए पर्याप्त है।
जो हमारा फिल्टर करने का जो हो रहा है फीलिंग और इरिगेशन में, वो एयर द्वारा हो रहा है। एयर के द्वारा हम फिल्टर करते हैं उसको, फिर उसके बाद देन सेटल होता है। सेटल से फिर हम थिकनर में लेते हैं, स्लज थिकनर हमको दिया हुआ है। उससे फिर हम क्लियर वाटर तो हमारा सीसीटी से आउटलेट होकर क्लोरीन मिक्स करते हैं उसमें, रेजिडेंस क्लोरीन, उसको मिक्स करके जिससे बैक्टीरिया को मार सकें, जो थोड़ा बहुत रह जाता है तो उसके लिए क्लोरीन यूज़ करते हैं और फिर आउट कर देते हैं।
To the Hindus, the Ganga is a sacred river, and any town or city on its banks is believed to be blessed. Haridwar is a paradise for the pilgrims who throng the ghats of the river to attain nirvana. The Government of India, through the National Mission for Clean Ganga, has not just been providing a cleaner and conducive holy site to them, but working in larger interest of all inhabitants along the course of the river.